upside downtown. This song is about life. It's about death. But most importantly, folks, it's about trains. I watched my father ride the Pennsylvania over the river to the city of dreams. I heard Jimmy Rogers sing of hard times, watching the rails, riding the rails, looking for pastures of peace. I fell down broken, I stood up shaking, still not making sense of this world. When we move on to the great up yonder, well, I've got to wonder, how will we roll? Might be a train takes me to the kingdom of heaven. Might be a plane, I don't know. Maybe 6 white horses, a golden chariot, but my guess is probably be a train. Decade up north of Fargo, nothing but lonesome for miles around. Clouds started shifting, the sky started crying. It's all in the timing when chasing dreams around. Some look for signals, some head for sunshine, some need to love, some love to need. I love to stand under a trestle and feel the steel getting up to speed. Might be a train takes me to the kingdom of heaven. Might be a plane, I don't know. Maybe 6 white horses with a golden chariot, but my guess is probably a train. Probably be a train.